Hello everyone, in this video I'll be guiding you through how to invite friends in Real Boxing 2. To invite friends on Real Boxing 2 is pretty easy. Go ahead and open your Real Boxing 2 application from your mobile device or your computer. You can use any devices. Here I'm gonna use my iPhone in today's video. After you're inside the main homepage of the game, tap on the friends icon at the top left hand corner. Now, tap the invite button at the bottom of the screen, and on the next page, you can post an invitation from your Facebook account and also receive the rewards displayed on the screen. Tap the post an invitation on Facebook button at the bottom and select whether you'd like to share this to your feed or group. Select one of the choices. I'm gonna select group. Search for the contact you want to send the invitation to and tap on them, and then tap the post button at the top right hand corner in order to invite friends to the game. If your friends receive the invitation, they should have ability to accept them. Once accepted, you might be able to engage in multiplayer matches or other social activities together in the game. That is how you should be able to invite friends in Real Boxing 2. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.